help you. There you go. Ready, Donna? Okay. Right hand on top. Wait, two hands. Okay, right hand on top. Left hand on bottom. Right hand on top. There you go. It's a ball. Do it again, B. Here it is. I have the ball right here. Okay, ready? Go! Hit the ball, B. Wow! Want to try righty? Okay. Right hand up here, boo-boo. Come here, right hand over here. Let's try right hand up. Left hand down, right hand up. Both hands. Let's do both hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3.